day. Today, I will be discussing the developmental stage of a 6-month-old infant, which belongs to the infancy stage, according to the widely accepted child development references such as Pediatric Developmental Milestone Guidelines. At this age, infants experience rapid growth in several areas of development. The developmental focus in this case includes physical or motor development, socio-emotional development, and early cognitive development. For example, Yana can roll from her tummy to her back, briefly sit with support, and reach for toys, which are signs of developing motor skills and coordination. She also smiles socially and laughs during interactive play like peekaboo with her father, showing healthy socio-emotional development. Additionally, her curiosity in reaching and mounting toys reflects early cognitive exploration. These behaviors help us understand how infants at 6 months old begin interacting more actively with their environment and the people around them. At 6 months old, Yana is in a stage of rapid development in physical, cognitive, and socio-emotional areas. According to John Piaget's cognitive development theory, infants from 0 to 2 years old are in the sensory motor stage. During this stage, babies learn about the world through their senses and physical actions such as touching, looking, grasping, and mounting objects. From a physical or motor development perspective, Yana demonstrates several abilities expected at 6 months. She can roll from tummy to back, which indicates developing muscle strength and coordination. However, she still struggles to roll from back to tummy, which is also common at this age because this movement requires stronger neck, shoulder, and core muscles. The scenario also mentions that Yana has limited tummy time because she cries when placed on her stomach. Tummy time is important because it helps strengthen the muscles needed for rolling, sitting, and later crawling. Providing short and supervised tummy time regularly can help her gradually build these muscles. In terms of social-emotional development, Yana's behavior can also be explained using Erik Erikson's psychosocial development theory, specifically the stage of trust versus mistrust, which occurs from birth to about 1 year of age. In this stage, infants learn to trust their caregivers when their needs are consistently met. Yana's social smiling and laughter when her father plays peekaboo suggests that she feels secure and comfortable with familiar caregivers. This interaction helps strengthen emotional bonds and builds a sense of trust. However, the scenario also mentions that Yana becomes very quiet around unfamiliar people. This behavior reflects early stranger awareness, which is common around this age, as babies begin to recognize familiar faces and feel more cautious with strangers. This response is a normal part of socio-emotional development. In the scenario, several behaviors of Yana can be observed that reflect her current stage of development. One observed behavior is that Yana can roll from her tummy to her back, but struggles to roll from her back to her tummy. This shows that she is developing her gross motor skills, particularly the muscles in her neck, shoulders, and core. At 6 months old, many infants begin rolling, but they often master one direction before the other. Her difficulty rolling from back to tummy may also be connected to the little tummy time mentioned by her mother, since tummy time helps strengthen the muscles needed for rolling and other movements. Having less practice may also slow the development of this skill. However, this behavior is skill developmentally appropriate for her age because motor skills develop gradually with practice and physical stimulation. Another observed behavior is that Yana is able to sit briefly with support. This indicates that her trunk control and balance are beginning to develop. At around 6 months, Many infants start practicing sitting, although they usually still need assistance or support to maintain the position. This behavior shows that Yana is gradually gaining the strength needed for more advanced movements such as independent sitting and crawling in the future. Yana also reaches for toys and brings them to her mouth. This behavior reflects the development of hand-eye coordination and sensory exploration. Infants at this age often explore objects by touching, grasping, and mouthing them. According to Jean Piaget's sensory motor stage, infants learn about their environment through their senses and physical interactions with objects. By reaching for toys and putting them in her mouth, Yana is actively exploring textures, shapes, and objects around her, which supports her cognitive development. Another behavior observed is that Yana smiles socially and laughs with her father, plays peekaboo with her. This demonstrates her growing social and emotional development. Interactive games like peekaboo help infants learn about communication, social interaction, and emotional connection with caregivers. According to Erik Erikson's stage of trust versus mistrust, infants develop trust when caregivers respond to them with attention, play, and affection. Yana's laughter during play suggests that she feels comfortable and secure with her father, which supports healthy emotional development. The scenario also mentions that Yana becomes very quiet around unfamiliar people. This behavior may indicate early stranger awareness, which is common around 6 months of age. As infants begin to recognize familiar caregivers, they may become cautious or shy around people they do not know. This reaction shows that Yana is beginning to differentiate between familiar and unfamiliar individuals, which is an important part of social development. It is important for caregivers and teachers to understand these behaviors because they help adults recognize whether a child's development is progressing appropriately for their age. When caregivers understand typical developmental milestones, they can respond more effectively to the child's needs and provide the right kind of support. For example, understanding that Yana's actions, such as reaching for toys, laughing during play, and becoming quiet around unfamiliar people, are normal for a 6-month-old, helps caregivers avoid unnecessary worry while still paying attention to areas that may need encouragement, such as practicing tummy time to strengthen her muscles. Overall, when caregivers understand children's developmental behaviors and needs, they can respond with patience, encouragement, and appropriate activities. These supports help promote healthy physical, cognitive, and emotional development during infancy.